Mr. Patrick Bristow.
How you guys doing? Awesome! Alright, well, are you ready for a little puppet anarchy? Alright, well, let's do it. So we're going to do an improv. We've got puppets, we've got puppeteers. If you guys would go to the playing area, that would be great. So, what I need from you is, an area that would be bad for a date, like an unromantic location, like the DMV. What was that? Oh, well, the DMV was what I said, so I want you to be more creative than me. But you said, which did the bumper what? The hospital. Okay, that's the first one I understood, the hospital. A porta potty, all right, very good.
Cemetery.
So I'm going to take hospital. Those were all great suggestions, even the ones I couldn't understand. I'm sure they were awesome. And if you guys can get porta potty in there in an organic and tasteful way, suitable for this audience that has some younger people than our regular audience will have. Hint. All right, that would be great. So, all right. So we're going to do this in a hospital. Now this is called New Choice. Every time one of the actors says something and I want to hear a different version of it, I will say New Choice, and they have to put a new line in. So let's just do an example. Grant, any line you want.
I had a very nice night at the Knott's Hotel last night.
New Choice.
I got the Snoopy turn down service at the Knott's Hotel last night. It's a real thing, look it up.
He's right, it's real. Whew, okay, and sadly both of those statements were true. Now, let's have you two be on the date, and then Peggy and Grant, you guys can be other people that are just at the hospital or the porta potty. All right, just like when you go to a sporting event, so I understand, and you cheer for the people down on the grass, it makes them do better before they've done anything. It works with improv too, so why don't we start them off with a little encouragement.
Doctor. Here's your scalpel.
I like a woman who can assist me in my job. Oh gosh. Anesthesiologist.
Why am I still dressed?
I'm so sorry I was late. I got my butt stuck in a porta potty.
New Choice.
I'm so sorry I'm late. I just got my butt stuck in my car door.
New Choice.
I'm so sorry I'm late. I got my butt stuck in my jeans.
Yep, looks pretty stuck to me.
I know. Let me put this man under. I'm so sorry, doctor.
Why am I still dressed?
I'm sorry about this, Lorraine. Usually we would be, knee deep in this man's stomach by now, but...
Okay, he's out. He should be out. He should be out. And I am going to go get my butt out of these jeans.
Good, this is a date. We'd like some privacy.
I love the way that you talk to women.
New Choice.
I love the way that you just didn't undress our patient before you started surgically opening him up.
That's part of the date. I want to see how you do the undressing.
Oh!
This is
Get one down.